In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and which option to choose, whether you're just looking for quick answers or you need to reach their support team directly. Let's start from inside your Mailerlite dashboard. Once you're logged in and on the main screen, move your attention to the top right corner. Up there, you'll see a button or link labeled Help. This is your main doorway to all of Mailerlite's support options. Go ahead and click on the Help button. When you do, a small menu or panel will open, giving you a few different ways to get assistance without leaving your dashboard. Now that the Help menu is open, you'll see different paths you can take. The first one to look for is Help Center. This is ideal if you want to quickly search for answers on your own. When you click Help Center, you'll be taken to Mailerlite's knowledge base. Here you can type in keywords related to your issue like forms, automation, or billing, and browse through articles, tutorials, and step-by-step guides. This is usually the fastest way to solve common problems, especially if you prefer to troubleshoot independently or it's outside of normal support hours. As you use the Help Center, try to be specific with your search terms. Instead of just typing email, type something like schedule email campaign or import subscribers. The more precise you are, the more likely you'll quickly find an article that matches your situation. This can save you time and help you understand how the platform works, not just fix a single problem. If you've checked the Help Center or you know you need personal assistance, go back to the Help menu in the top right corner and look for Email Support. Click that option to send a direct message to the Mailerlite support team. You'll typically see a form where you can describe your issue. When you fill it out, include clear details, what you were trying to do, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. Adding screenshots can also help the support team understand your issue faster and give you a more accurate response. Once you've submitted your message through email support, keep an eye on your inbox for their reply. And that's it. You now know how to open the Help menu, use the Help Center for quick answers, and contact Mailerlite's support team directly via email when you need more personal